Hi guys, I'm Madison and I'm a student at Embry-Riddle and I'm going to show you how to register for classes, and I promise it's super easy.
Okay guys, so here we are on my Ernie homepage. Which thing you're going to do first is scroll down and go over to the left. Right over here will show you if you have holds on your account or anything, and I'm going to go to my Student Center. So once you're at your Student Center, you can see the classes you are currently enrolled in, but for me, registering for classes the next semester can be a little bit complicated, but thankfully we have this thing called Schedule Planner, and this is what I use to make sure that none of my classes have conflicts. So I'm going to show you how I use that. So you have to click this extra window right over here, and it should just pop up. So I'm going to select my campus, which is the Prescott campus. Okay, so here is the Schedule Planner. So you can see I already have some courses in that shopping cart, but I'm going to add another one just to show you guys. So I'm going to select the class or the subject number. So we're going to go, how about computer engineering, just for fun? And how about microprocessor systems? So now I'm going to add that course. So over here you can see all of my courses that I have enrolled for that semester. So then you're going to click Done. And over here I've added a break. So Wednesday and Friday work from 8 to 10 p.m. So if you are a working student or anything like that, you can add a break in there and they'll actually generate a schedule that could work for you. So now I'm going to generate a schedule. So there is one schedule that is workable, which is a good thing. So I'm going to view it. So this shows me kind of like all of the classes I could take, and then I'm going to send this to my shopping cart. Okay, so once you send that to your shopping cart, you're going to come back to your home screen, so the Ernie login screen. Go back to your Student Center. So once you get to enroll, just click Import Cart. And then you can proceed to the next step. And over here, all of the classes are open, so I will just click Finish Enrolling.
And that's all there is to it. We look forward to having you on campus.